Welcome to my YouTube channel Softworldlink. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to design a football in Adobe Illustrator. Select the polygon tool and draw a polygon. Rotate it. Press the Alt key and drag with the mouse to duplicate the object. Select the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Select all shapes. Select the Shape Builder tool and select the shapes that are in the circle. Delete unwanted shapes. Press Alt and select the shapes will be deleted. Select the shapes and apply colors. Select all the shapes and add a stroke. Go to the stroke property and apply a stroke effect. Football is ready. Hope the tutorial will be helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching the video.